Hi there, my name is Kelsey Irvin. I wanted to share with you an easy Christmas decoration that you can make at home. It's something that I just find fun, and I love to make things. You can give them as gifts, you can use them in your own home every year because it's just kind of adds a bit of creativity to the season. And I like really simple designs of things, and so this is just an idea this is a simple fairy light strand that is pretty festive, and it's just little kind of snowy trees inside small glass jars. And here is another idea of the same concept, but it's really just in a mason jar with some snow and a couple trees, and it's super simple. So first things first, for the fairy light strand, what you'll need these tiny glass jars. I think it's 30 milliliters. What you want to make sure is that the trees that you get fit easily inside the jar. So just to show it at night, here they are, looking pretty. There's so much you can do with this. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you can come up with some fun new decorations to make at home with your family and have a great holiday season. Thanks for watching.